12 health hacks using Vicks VapoRub. Vicks VapoRub is a household favorite, best known for clearing up stuffy noses and soothing colds. But did you know it's got many other amazing uses? Thanks to its active ingredients, menthol, camphor, and eucalyptus oil, this little jar can tackle a whole bunch of everyday health issues beyond its usual cold-fighting duties. From skincare hacks to pain relief solutions, Vicks is a surprisingly versatile remedy that's simple, affordable, and super handy. In this guide, we'll share 12 practical ways to use it to make your life a little easier. Let's dive in and see what it can do. Number 1. Relieve tension headaches. When a headache strikes, it can derail your entire day. The good news is that Vicks VapoRub can provide relief, especially if you're seeking non-oral options for pain management. For tension headaches, just massage a small dab onto your temples and forehead. The cooling sensation and menthol aroma work together to ease the pain and provide instant relaxation. It's like aromatherapy meets a gentle massage, calming your senses and your headache in one go. Number 2. Reduce cold sores. Cold sores always seem to pop up at the worst times, don't they? The next time you feel that familiar tingle, dab a small amount of Vicks onto the sore. The menthol and camphor components provide a soothing effect, decreasing pain and inflammation, while the antimicrobial properties support the healing process by reducing bacterial presence in the affected area. It may not prevent the sore entirely, but it can make the experience a lot less miserable. Number 3. Fight toenail fungus. Got stubborn toenail fungus? It's a common issue, but Vicks can help with that too, thanks to its antifungal properties, specifically thymol and eucalyptus oil. To use, apply a thin layer of the ointment to the affected nail and surrounding area daily. You'll notice the nail gradually clearing up as new, healthy growth takes over. It's not an overnight cure, so be patient and consistent with your application. Combine this hack with good foot hygiene, and you'll be well on your way to sandal-ready toes without needing expensive treatments. Number 4. Relieve joint pain. If achy joints are slowing you down, Vicks might be the quick fix you need. Rub it onto the painful areas and feel the combination of warming and cooling sensations ease the discomfort. It's particularly helpful for arthritis-related pain or general joint soreness after a long day. Pair it with a warm towel for even better results. Number 5. Alleviate muscle soreness. After a physically demanding day or an intense workout, those sore muscles need some love. That's where Vicks steps in as your at-home muscle reliever. Massage it onto the affected areas, like your calves, thighs, or shoulders, and let the menthol and camphor penetrate deep into your skin. These ingredients provide a cooling and slightly numbing effect that helps soothe muscle pain and reduce inflammation. Pair it with a gentle massage and you'll feel the tension melt away. Number 6. Ease minor earaches. You might be pleased to learn that minor earaches, often associated with colds or sinus congestion, can be relieved using Vicks VapoRub. Take a small amount of the ointment, place it on a cotton ball, and gently insert it into the outer part of your ear. Just be careful not to put it deep inside. The warming sensation combined with the soothing menthol aroma can help relieve the pain temporarily. This isn't a cure for serious issues, but for those occasional mild aches, Vicks offers a quick and comforting solution. Number 7. Prevent stretch marks. If you're worried about stretch marks, Vicks might surprise you. Massage a small amount onto areas prone to stretch marks, like your thighs, abdomen, or hips. The moisturizing properties of eucalyptus oil and camphor work to improve skin elasticity, which is key to minimizing the appearance of stretch marks. While it's not a magic wand, regular application can make your skin feel softer and more hydrated. Think of it as an extra step in your skincare routine to keep your skin smooth and happy. Number 8. Speed up splinter removal. Splinters can be tiny, but oh so annoying. Fortunately, Vicks VapoRub makes removing them much easier. Simply dab some over the splinter and cover it with a bandage. The menthol reduces inflammation, while the petroleum jelly helps soften the skin. After a few hours, you'll notice the splinter rising closer to the surface, ready for gentle removal with tweezers. This hack is particularly helpful for kids or those with sensitive skin who dread the process. It's a simple yet clever way to turn a frustrating situation into a quick fix. Number 9. Soften calluses and cracked skin. Tired of rough heels or cracked hands? Vicks can transform your skin overnight. Before bed, massage a generous amount onto the calloused or cracked areas, like your heels or knuckles. Cover them with socks or gloves, and let the moisturizing ingredients go to work. By morning, you'll wake up to noticeably softer, smoother skin. Repeat this daily for even better results. It's a simple, inexpensive way to give your skin the TLC it deserves and say goodbye to those stubborn calluses and cracks. Number 10. Calm skin itchiness. Insect bites, minor rashes, or itchy spots driving you crazy? Grab your Vicks. Apply a small amount to the affected area and let the menthol do its thing. It cools the skin, reducing irritation and inflammation almost instantly. Plus, the antibacterial properties offer a bonus layer of protection. Just remember to use it sparingly and avoid open wounds or injured skin. Number 11. Relieve menstrual cramps. Menstrual cramps can be debilitating, but Vicks offers a simple solution. Rub it onto your lower abdomen and place a warm compress or heating pad over the area. The combination of heat and the soothing properties of menthol can help relax your muscles and ease the pain. It's a comforting, at-home remedy to try when cramps strike, giving you one more tool in your self-care arsenal during that time of the month. Number 12. Clear up acne spots. Dealing with pesky pimples? Try Vicks as a spot treatment. Apply a tiny amount directly onto the pimple before bedtime. The menthol and eucalyptus oil work together to reduce swelling, redness, and bacteria. By morning, you'll notice a smaller, less noticeable blemish. With consistent use, this budget-friendly hack can help keep those stubborn acne spots in check without breaking the bank. There you have it, 12 truly amazing ways to use Vicks VapoRub for health and wellness. From soothing sore muscles to clearing up acne, this versatile remedy has proven that it's more than just a cold-fighting champion. Whether you're tackling minor aches or giving your skin some extra care, these hacks are simple, effective, and easy to try at home. And although these methods are convenient and cost-effective, it's important to remember that they are not substitutes for professional medical advice. Always consult a healthcare provider for persistent or severe conditions. Now it's your turn. Have you tried any of these hacks? Or do you have a Vicks tip of your own? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a like and share it with your friends and family, as it helps us produce more valuable content. To stay up to date with our latest videos, remember to hit the subscribe button and enable notifications so you never miss out on any future content.